Hi friends, let me show you this Boho style low profile ceiling fan that I received for viewing purposes. It's a nice lamp. This is the final picture, and this is the user manual and installation manual. Okay, so easy to install. We're going to do it in a few minutes. Okay, it comes nicely packed, really protected, so it will arrive perfectly to your home. Okay, it comes almost all assembled. You don't have to do a lot of assembly. Okay. As you can see, these are loose parts. They move nicely. You have the fan here, and all the installation accessories are inside of this part. Okay, so we're going to get everything out and to install it. It holds 5 lights also, so you have lights and fan. Let's do it. Now we have installed the lamp, as you can see, and we are going to use it with the remote control. We can turn on the lights here. You can see how nice they look with the side beds of the lamp, giving that kind of ambience. And the fan has 6 different speeds and 3 times to be on automatically and turn off automatically, 1, 4, or 8 hours. Let's put the number 3, and you have the fan working with almost no sound, as you can see and hear. And the fan can work forward or reverse, depending on the season. If it's hot, it should go forward. If it's cold, it should go reverse to move the air more efficiently, okay? And you can program it for 1 hour. That's it. So, as you can see, really nice lighting, nice fan, no sound, almost no sound, and a beautiful lamp for the entrance of our home or wherever you want to install it. Thank you.